So this tutorial is going to teach us some definitely more advanced editing techniques. So we're going to focus on two different tools for this first one. It's the clone stamp, and the second one is the spot healing brush tool. So what does it mean to clone? If you're cloning, you're making a duplicate. So when we use the clone stamp, what we're going to do is we're going to pick up a part of our image and we're going to duplicate it on top of another part. And then the second tool I show you, the spot healing brush tool, it's like a giant pimple zapper. That's the best way I can describe it. It takes something that's small and like circular and it spot takes it out with the pixels or part of the image that's around the diameter of it. So let's learn how to use these tools. They will change your life.
All right, notice the bottom left corner of this picture. It has, imagine that this was ripped off, so it looks like a rip here. And then notice those two circular gray sewer caps in the background. They're annoying me. They're in my way. They're ruining my image. I want them out. I want to fix it. Save the practice image to our camera roll. Let me show you how to do that. So if we're in Canvas, what we're going to do is we are going to tap and hold the image that I posted in Canvas for you. So tap and hold it and choose Add to Photos. Next, we want to open up Adobe Photoshop Fix on our iPad. Choose the plus sign, and you're going to add the photo from your iPad that we just saved, and it will be in your camera roll. So tap that photo, it will open up, and here we go. So first we're going to start easy with the spot healing brush. So click the spot healing brush tool, and you're going to have to adjust your brush. Now I want to get rid of these two small circular gray caps that are in the background. They're annoying me, so let's get rid of them. I'm going to make the size of my brush the diameter or size of the sewer cap so I know I can cover it. And then the hardness of my brush, I'm going to adjust that to be 0 because I want it to blend in. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to tap where that sewer cap is. So I tap it and it's small, so what I need to do is make my brush a little bigger. Let me make it bigger, tap, and there it goes. Now I'm going to go tap the other one, done. Now if you tap the top left corner, there's a picture, and if you tap it, you can see the before and after of your image. So it's kind of cool to check it out that way. Now we're going to address the rip. For this, we're going to use the clone stamp. Clone means to make another or to duplicate something. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to take pixels or a part of the image that's similar in color and texture to cover up the rip. The way it works is you're going to tap an area and that's going to define the source. So that's going to like pick up the pixels from that area. And then I'm going to cover the rip by painting or dragging my finger on the rip. So let me show you how it works. So again, I'm going to adjust my brush. If I tap in the grass, I'm adjusting a size. I kind of want a bigger size. And then I drag my finger and see what it's doing. It's taking what's underneath that white circle and covering up the rip. I'm going to mix up where I'm cloning from because I don't want it to look like a pattern. I want it to blend in. So notice I'm defining my source. Where you see the white circle, that's me tapping to pick up those pixels. Where you see that gray going away, that's me painting to make that go away. I'm cloning. And just like that, the rip is gone. The key is that it doesn't look like a pattern, okay?
So guys, remember, cloning can be an awesome tool. Just remember to adjust the size of the brush, the hardness of the brush, and redefine where you're cloning from so that it blends in. You don't want to give away all your tricks, or do you? I don't know. Don't give away your tricks. Have fun, happy cloning.